Transferring internationally on Scotia Bank is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. To transfer internationally on Scotia Bank, you have to open up the scotia.com website. So, first of all, sign in to the Scotia Bank mobile banking app and tap to transfer. Then, tap to send money internationally. After that, tap on Bank Deposits. Now you have to enter the recipient's contact information and then select the account you want to transfer money from. Then, enter the amount you want to transfer and tap on Submit. Transferring money internationally through Scotia Bank can be done efficiently and securely. The bank provides various options for international money transfers, including wire transfers and online banking. To initiate an international transfer, you will first need to have a Scotia Bank account. If you don't have one, you will need to set up an account. Once you're ready to make an international transfer, log into your Scotia online account or use the Scotia Bank mobile app.